This is a demo of a powerful tool we built called the Insurance Quote Comparator and explain how it works. Let's see how the application works. Once you log in, you land on an upload page with two simple sections. The first to upload your quotation documents, and the second to choose the parameter on which you want comparisons: coverage, financial, temporal, or overall. Let's select coverage and upload a few sample quotations. As soon as they're uploaded, the system compares each document with a curated benchmark set in the back end. Instantly, you get a smart summary with 4 key insights. The first is most similar source, which shows which document in the system most closely matches your uploaded quote. The second is common coverages, displaying the overlap in coverages between the uploaded document and the matched reference. The third section, coverage and pricing differences, highlights where your document differs from the benchmark. And finally, the similarity and weakness assessment gives a clear picture of how unique or similar your document is compared to the knowledge base. Moving on, the second section is a chatbot powered by a large language model, where you can ask natural language questions like, compare common coverages between my uploaded document and the most similar source. And the system will not only give a textual answer, but also dynamically generate visualizations such as spider charts to make the results intuitive. The third tab provides a dedicated comparison chart, a spider chart comparing 7 critical KPIs: premium, co-payment terms, sum insured, renewability, waiting periods, claim settlement ratios, and hospital network size. This bird's-eye view helps you quickly evaluate each quote against these dimensions. Finally, in the fourth section, View Your Quote, you can open your uploaded document with key terms automatically highlighted. Hovering over these highlights displays plain language explanations, making even complex terminology easy to understand. The architecture of this solution is designed with 5 layers. It begins with an input layer where users upload documents, currently PDFs, Excel files, or image scans. These documents then move to an intelligent agent layer powered by an agentic RAG pipeline. Unlike static retrieval, this approach allows the system to dynamically decide what information to fetch, how to summarize it, and how to highlight key terms with precision using bounding box extraction. The extracted chunks are processed through a comparison model that calculates similarity scores using cosine distance to find the closest matches. And finally, the smart tooltip generator provides explanations in plain English. While designed specifically for insurance quotes, this architecture can be extended to other domains like legal contracts, loan agreements, or compliance documents. Together, these features make the Insurance Quote Comparator a smart, scalable solution that transforms hours of manual effort into minutes, ensuring accuracy, clarity, and confidence in decision-making.